The Reggae Boyz secured their first point of the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers after battling to a 1-all draw with Costa Rica in San Jose on Wednesday. As Simon Preston reports, this was the first time Jamaica were avoiding defeat to Costa Rica in World Cup qualifying.
It was a simple scenario for Costa Rica and Jamaica. Both teams needed points as they sat 7th and 8th respectively in the table coming into this fixture. Costa Rica hadn't scored as yet in the final round, while Jamaica were yet to register a point. And it was Los Ticos that got off to the perfect start as midfielder Jimmy Marin gave the 3,000 home fans something to shout about in the 3rd minute with a header in the 6-yard box. This was the 23-year-old's first international goal in his 9th appearance. It was also the 6th goal that the Reggae Boyz were conceding in the qualifiers. The goal seemed to have woken up the Jamaicans as they started to be more assertive in the final third. Junior Flemings, Shamar Nicholson and Tyreek McGee all had opportunities, but the Costa Rican backline stood firm to avert the danger. Costa Rica also had chances to double their lead, but captain Andre Blake ensured that the game would go into half-time at 1-0. Jamaica started the second half the way Costa Rica did in the first, with purpose, and the Reggae Boyz got their reward in the 47th minute through Shamar Nicholson. The 24-year-old was netting his 10th international goal for Jamaica and his 2nd of the qualifiers. It was also the first time Jamaica were scoring against Costa Rica in a World Cup qualifier in exactly 20 years. And Andy Lowe was the last man to score in San Jose prior to Nicholson. Joy at one end, but at the other, Blake had to be up to the task, and he pulled off a handful of brilliant saves to deny the Costa Ricans a 2nd goal. Nicholson had 2 further opportunities, but one went wide, while the other produced a save out of Keylor Navas. Javan East plays his club football in Costa Rica and knows this stadium quite well, but missed his effort. It was a point gained, but for Nicholson, he looked at it as 2 points dropped.
I'm disappointed with my game overall, and I think I could do much better, but I think it's already behind, and we get a point, which is maybe in the long run can help us, and I think it's important now we focus on the next games. We were the best team on the pitch, we should have taken advantage of it.
Captain Blake praised the effort of his teammates.
This is what is required. This is the standard minimum. We show that we're capable. We just have to keep going. We have to stay grounded, and stay consistent. Learn from these 3 games, and keep improving, keep getting better. We still have quite a number of games. Once we kind of hit stride at the right time, it's we can really have a chance.
The Reggae Boyz remain at the foot of the table with 1 point, while Mexico with 7, Canada 5, and the United States 5 points occupy the top 3 spots after 3 games. The Jamaicans will next face the Americans on October 7 in Texas, Canada at home on October 10, and Honduras away in San Pedro Sula on October 13. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.